A very good morning to you all. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, children, in last class, what did we study? What was the topic? Yeah, the topic was different kinds of plants. Yeah, we all saw the different parts of plants, right? Yeah, first we saw the trees. Yeah, trees are big, strong, and tall plants. Yeah, and shrubs. Shrubs are much smaller than the plants. Then we saw herbs. Herbs are very small and they are soft plants, and also they have soft stem. Okay, yes. Then we saw climbers. Yes, we saw the climbers, right? Yeah, we saw the climbers. Example for climbers is money plant. Yeah, money plant are grown with the support. Yes, climbers need support to grow. Yes, children. Yeah, let's see here. Look here. There is an example for herbs. Yeah, herbs are very small and weak, soft plants. Yeah, they are very soft. If we break them with our hands, it breaks. Yeah, if we pluck the plant with our hands, it gets cut and it comes in our hand itself. Yes, children, those are herbs. Okay, yeah, look here, there is a lemon grass, right? Look at the grass. Yeah, it's a lemon grass. It's called as a lemon grass. Okay, if you see, the next one is it is an example for a climber. Yeah, look at the tree. Yeah, it is giving the support for the grapes, right? There are some green grapes and also the black grapes, right? Yeah, look how it has given the support. Yeah, it has been rotated for the tree. Yeah, look here. Can you see how it has been hanged? Yeah, children, look how it has been hanged. Yeah, yes. I hope you all saw how it has been hanged to the support. Yes, climbers need support to grow. They have very weak stem. Yeah, they cannot stand their own. Yeah, they need support with the help of a plant or a tree or a stick. They need a support. Okay, children, the best example is a money plant. Yeah, in online class you all showed me different types of plants in your house, right? Yes, children, you all are very good. You showed me everything that you have in your house. Yeah, yes, you are getting the knowledge of the lesson. So what is your work is you have to read daily, children. Okay, you have to read the lesson and also the difficult words in the lesson, like the spelling of shrubs and the spelling of herbs, the spelling of climber, creeper, tree, plant, and different types of examples like lemongrass. I have said you now. You have to read the spelling which is in the test book, and also the grape spelling. Each and everything, children, you have to read it and get thorough with the lesson. Okay, yeah, next we saw about what we saw. Yes, now we are going to see about that. Yeah, we are seeing now the creepers. Yeah, what are creepers? Yeah, they are long and tender. They just grow long, but they cannot stand on their own or with the support also they cannot. So they grow only on the land. Okay, they all grow on the ground itself. They do not stand. Yeah, okay, children, for the example is, look here, there is a watermelon, and the watermelon plant also you can see. Look how long it has been grown till there it has gone. Yeah, even here also you can see a watermelon. Here also there is a watermelon. Yeah, those watermelons are very big fruit, but the plant is very weak. They cannot stand at all. Yes, yeah, children. And now what is your work is you have to collect some more creepers. Yeah, the names of the creepers, just list it down. I'll be asking you in the online class. as I asked in the last video online class. Yeah, even I'll be asking the same thing in the next online class. So please be ready with the answers. Whenever I ask the names and call out the names to answer, you have to keep ready the answer to answer me. Okay, children? Yes. Next, we are seeing the thorny plants. Yeah, look at the thorns. Yes, can you see how the thorns are? These are the thorns. Okay, what they say in Kannada? Mullu, right? Yeah, look how the thorns are grown. Yeah, if you touch the thorns, will get hurt, right, children? Yes, some plants have thorns also in them. Yes, look here. You can see here how the thorns are. Yeah, it is so close, and also they are very sharp. Look at the sharpness of the thorns. Yeah, if we touch it, we'll get blood, right? It plucks us and we get blood in our hands. Yes, children, we have to be careful while touching the plants also. Yeah, some plants will be having a thorns. Yeah, look, the example for thorns is cactus plant. Yeah, look how much of thorns it has. Look, all around the plant it has only thorns. Yeah, so it is called as a thorny plant. Yeah, it's a thorny plant. Look, so much of thorns here, like it has grown in a line, right? Evenly it has grown. Look at the uh, thorns, children. It has crossed also. Yeah, it has not come in the front also, but it has crossed also. Yes, it has grown crossed also. Yes, look at the rose plant. Even the rose flower plant has thorns, children. Look here, you can see the thorns. Yes, one, two, three, four. You can see four thorns, and also you can see here also, but it's not clear like these all. Yeah, so be careful while touching any of a flower, because the plant may be having the thorns. If you touch the thorns, you will get hurt and it may start bleeding. The blood comes out of your hand. Yes, yes, children, be careful before touching the plants. Yeah. Next, we are seeing about the leaf. Leaf are of different shapes and size, children. Yeah, some plants have big leaf and some plants have small leaf. Yeah, if you see here, there is a big leaf, right? Look how big the leaf is. Can you identify that leaf? Yeah, it's an banana leaf. Yeah, we eat food in the banana leaf, right, children? Have you ever ate the food on banana leaf? Yeah, you try once. It will be tasty to eat on the leaf. Yeah, look how beautiful the leaf is. Such a big leaf. Yeah, yes, and there are small leaves too. The best example for small leaves are neem leaves. Look how small it is compared to this. Look how big leaf it is. But here it's very small one, right? And also the tamarind leaf. Tamarind leaf also have very small leaves. Look at the leaves, children. Tamarind means what? It's an unshen mara. Unshen mara, they will say, right? It's called tamarind tree. Look at the leaf. If you have a tamarind tree near the house, you can just look at it and see how the leaf of the tamarind tree is. And also look, the neem tree. If you see the neem tree here, yes, the neem leaf are also very small leaf. Look at the leaves, children. They are very small, right? The neem leaf tree is called as Bevin Mara in Kannada. Yeah, just look at the leaf of the neem tree. You will come to know how small the leaves are. Okay. Yes. Next, look. There are some flower plants, right? What is the name of this flower? Yeah. Can you identify? Just do a research on it. You have to name the flower name. Look at the picture here. Yeah, you are seeing, right? You have to name this flower. Okay, children? Yes. And also in your test book, in page number 55, you can see there are different types of flowers. Plants gives us flower, right? And all the flowers are beautiful to see. Yes. Yeah, look here. There is a marigold flower also. This is called a marigold flower. And you have to name this flower, children. In the next class, I will be asking you. Yeah, you have to name this flower. Yeah, there is a marigold flower. Yeah, it also gives us flowers, right? It is so nice to see it. So it's in yellow color, right? Yeah, and the first one was in pink color, right? It was in pink color. Yeah, you have to identify the name of this flower. Okay, children? It's your homework. And also, you have one more homework, children. What means you have to draw a diagram of a lotus. Okay? Lotus. Have you seen the lotus? Just look in the page number 56. On the top, there is a lotus. How you want, you draw it to your convenient. Okay? And color it. In which color the lotus will be? Yeah, the lotus will be in pink color, right? Yeah, you have to draw the color in pink color, and also there will be a leaf of a lotus. You have to draw that leaf in green color. Okay, children? Yes. So, I hope today you all understood the topic. Yes? Yeah, children. So, you have to study at your home. Sit with your parents and start studying so that you will get thorough with the lesson. Okay, children? Yeah. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care. Happy learning.